November 2016, I had a back injury at work, and the company I worked for don't have any kind of medical insurance. They turned it over to workers' comp. I called workers' comp, and she kind of gave me the runaround. I had a friend of mine that had used Scott Ash, and he recommended him to me. I called him. He got on the case. They done everything they could to starve me out. That's me and my family. That's what they done. And Scott got in the middle of them about it and took care of business. It took them 1 year and 3 months before I got my surgery on my back, but Scott made it happen. Every time we'd go to court, we'd show up. They would just pretty much do whatever. They didn't want to see the judge after they seen that we was all there. Scott was there, I was there, and it got handled. After we got everything settled up with that and got my settlement and back pay from them, then they helped go through the Social Security with me on disability, and we had 2 hearings on that. Scott was stand up right in the middle of it. We wound up getting that approved as well. Without Scott Ash going against workers' comp, especially in the state of Oklahoma, they're about the employers. They don't care about the employees, so you gotta have an attorney. And from what I understood, Scott has, I had heard he'd never lost any cases where that goes. Now, I looked it up online. He had great reviews, so, but he did a good job. He got me what we could out of him. But yeah, you definitely need a lawyer. I recommend Scott Ash for all of it. He's a good guy. I have used an attorney back when I was a young guy in my early teens and 20s, and over a car accident, and pretty much I got to run around. They sent me to a doctor. So when we got our settlement, when everything was done, we all got $3,300 apiece. Me, the attorney, and the doctor. And with Scott, it was fair. I didn't have to worry about that. I mean, he done what he said. Everything that was in the paperwork is just the way it was. There was no hidden agenda, no hidden fees. It was all straight up and on the money. My recommendation is if you're going up against workers' comp, Social Security, any of them that's going to try their best and not pay you to keep you from getting what you got coming, I recommend Scott Ash for the job. He'll take care of you and get it done.